Hey everybody, this is Lonnie. Just want to walk you through a couple of quick steps on how to update our build and get it going, and a few tips and stuff. So the first thing you want to do is go over to your maintenance screen, go down and click on Update Lonnie. You might have a lot of extra stuff. I don't know if you could see that. Get it closer. That's on your build that doesn't work, and I delete it. But when you just do a regular update and download a new update onto it, it doesn't get rid of all the apps that I got rid of. So you're going to want to do what's called a fresh start. And then just click that. It's going to tell you it's going to wipe it all out. And just click on yes, and then you're going to wait for it to finish. Then unplug the box and restart it. Okay? And just wait for it to end. And you're going to see a lot of stuff come up. This failed, that failed. No problem. Just wait for it to finish and then unplug your box. I'll be right back. You will get this screen here where it says I'm going to attempt to force close after the fresh start has finished. Just again, unplug your box. Coming back soon. Okay, you restarted your box and you're at your home screen of your own unit. Every unit may look differently. This is my X96 box. If you have any other box, that's fine. You're just going to go to Settings on your main box, because I want to give you a couple of things here. And I want you to check out the About screen for one reason. I just want you to see what version you have of Android. If you have anything that says a 6.0 or 6.01, I'll get back to that later and show you what to do to have everything working fine inside of Kodi. So let's back out again. Sorry, I just gotta film this and keep this in the thing. And now you want to restart Kodi. And now remember, we're working on a clean install. So this is what Kodi looks like with nothing in it. But I have my stuff in it. So we're going to go to Programs, hit OK, Program Add-ons, sorry, LonnyTV Wizard. And if you have a machine that's 1 gigabyte or lower, like a Fire Stick or anything else, you're going to want to load the Lonny Small. Anything else right now, I want you to load the GT1 Mimic, okay? It's also good for the A96 boxes or anything that has 2 gigabytes or more. You're going to have to refer to the person that you bought it from, or look up the device and see how much memory is in it from there. So anyway, you just click install, and now it's going to download and extract. Again, when it says it's finished, again, you're going to unplug your box. But I'll show you that screen in a second. Be right back. Okay, so after everything is downloaded and extracted, you will get this. Now again, you're going to unplug your box. Then go back to the home screen and wait. And I'll show you what to do then. Okay, so far we've refreshed our whole Kodi, and now we downloaded our new build, and what we have to, and we restarted our machine, and there's only a couple things to do here. Well, actually just one, but we'll go over again. What version of Android do you have? So if you have Android 6, you're going to have to take another step, but if you have Android 5, you may not have to do this, but I'll explain that in a second. So again, to find out what Android you have, you go to About. You go to your settings on your screen, and then you go to About, and you come down here, and you'll see it'll say what your version is. So this box has Android 6, so it does need the step. If you have 5.1.1 or earlier, I mean, I would just do the step anyway that I'm going to show you later. But let's back one out, okay? And we're going to go to Apps. And now we're going to slide over to Kodi. Okay. And what you want to do, not clear data, because that will get rid of everything, but you want to clear your cache. And this is good if you have problems with Kodi not loading or it's crashing sometimes. So we're going to get rid of this right now. You just click on cache, you click on OK, and then it's going to clear the cache, and you should have 12 kilobytes in your cache. So again, if you're having any problems with Kodi in any setup or whatever you have, you want to come into your system settings, not Kodi settings, your system settings, go to your downloaded apps, click on Kodi, and clear the cache. All right, I'm going to start up Kodi, and we're going to go through a couple more things, and we're done. Okay, now that you've done all the steps and got to this point and you started up Kodi again, you're like going to see this again. You'll be like, wait a second, where's Kodi? What happened to it? Well, like I said, we had a couple more steps to take, because if you have Android 6, you have to do this. If you have Android 5.1.1 or something else lower than 6, you could just see if it's working or not, and then always go back to this and check it. Every skin has this. There's just, a system to get to it. Anyway, so we're going to go into System and Settings, which you could just click on System, or you could just click on the settings here. I want you to go to Video, and then Acceleration. Now, if you don't have acceleration on your screen, which my stuff will, but if you're watching this from something else, you would just click left. Oh, sorry, never mind. Let's just get on with mine. And you just want to turn off that hardware acceleration and codec. Just turn this off. You can just see that's on, that's off. That's on, that's off. Okay, now just hit your back button. And you're going to see like a lot of modifications and things like that are still going to be going on, because this is my system and it has plenty of add-ons in it. And so now we want to get back to what we had before, our skin and all setups. So again, you could do back out all the way. You're going to want to click on System, and now Appearance. So you see here it says Skin Confluence. That's the original Kodi, which we were just looking at. Now click Skin. And just wait for it to load. And that's your original blank skin. That's another blank skin by Kodi, which we can't get rid of. This is a new look and feel, which if you want to use this one, you can just click on that one. And that's our original that we started with, the one with all the different settings. So you could choose this one, or you could choose that one. No big deal. You can look at them both. As long as you've shut off the AM codec in the video acceleration area, then you're good to install any one of these skins. Well, actually, just it's already installed, but and just click on it. Click yes. And then you can just back out, and it will start up. And just let it load, complete what it's got to do, and that's it. So that's the end of our tutorial. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, let it finish loading. It'll say building skin, blah, 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 and you're good to go. Now, if you want to go back and change and take a look at the other skin, you just go over here. Instead of settings, I call it maintenance. Okay? And you click on maintenance, and there's your appearance. There's your video. So you want to make sure, your video accelerations are turned off. Come on, focus. You can see it's off. And if you want to change to the other skin, just wait for everything to finish here first and reload, and then you can click on your appearance, skin, and then wait for that to load and change to the mimic. And that's it. Have a great day.